Hello, operator. I'm the ULTRA GRANDE 625, a high-speed tissue converting rewinder, engineered for stable, real-world production of institutional rolls at 600 meters per minute. Today, I'm going to demonstrate what makes this line different. ULTRA Voice Agent are patent-pending voice technology that guides operators in real time and can increase efficiency by up to 25%. I communicate through a dedicated voice agent control panel and through speakers on the line, so instructions are always heard clearly. Now watch a jumbo roll change and how I help operators complete it quickly, smoothly, and with minimal downtime.
Warning. Jumbo roll 2 is running low. Prepare the new jumbo roll while the line is running at maximum speed. Keep the tail prepared. Keep the jumbo roll connected to the overhead crane until mounting it on the unwinder stand.
I guide the operator to stage the new roll correctly before speed is reduced so the change happens fast.
I will indicate with sensor 3 when you should reduce the speed of the roll that is finishing. Stop it before it runs out of paper and eject it. When sensor 1 tells you, make sure the new roll with its tail prepared is mounted in the correct place on the unwinder and always connected to the hoist. Once the finished roll has been ejected, mount the new roll. Splice it to the previous one by making a hole in the paper web. Insert the tail of the new roll.
And throughout the process, I keep the team focused on what downtime really costs, because speed and efficiency are everything.
Each minute of downtime means losing 1,000 toilet tissue rolls or 450 kitchen towel rolls.
Then I guide the splice and threading sequence step by step, so the web stays clean and the restart is stable.
Running at low speed until the splice passes through all units.
Once the splice reaches the rewinder, I confirm the next step, then we return to peak performance.
When the splice reaches the rewinder, I will eject the first log. At that moment, increase to the recommended maximum.
On the ULTRA GRANDE 625, that means a steady 600 meters per minute running clean, consistent, and under control. That's ULTRA Voice Agent, real-time guidance that helps operators execute faster, prevent mistakes, and protect efficiency minute after minute, shift after shift. ULTRA GRANDE 625 with ULTRA Voice Agent. Let's run.